Hey guys, it's Cheryl from WTI, and let's talk about shaving. I don't like shaving. I don't like to do it often. I don't need to do it often, but when I do it, I want to make sure I get all the hair removed. And this is my go-to razor, the Venus Smooth Razor. They have lots of different types of razors with different razor heads on them, but this is my go-to. It's the Venus Smooth. So I love this Venus Smooth Razor. It comes with 2 cartridges. What I love most about these cartridges is it has a triple blade, as you can see here, and it has like a soothing pad on both sides. The handle is a very comfortable rubber handle, so it's easy to hold. I love the result. I am old school. I like shaving cream and I like razors. I just think they do a better job. But what I like most about it is that when you're shaving, it pivots back and forth. And it's just an overall great razor. I have been using this particular type of razor for years now, and I probably will never change. It's just an overall great razor. So if you are looking for a basic razor that does a great job removing all of your hair that you need to shave off, this Venus one is the way to go. However, that is just my point of view.